Oh, you thought this was Sahara Desert here? No, 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 no. This is not Sahara Desert. This is Sarpeiman, located on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Yes, this is the state of the road towards Accra Kumasi Highway. When you get to Sarpeiman, yes, this is how the place looks like. We are very, very dusty. Now, you are welcome to We Are Ghanaians channel. My name is Efia, and I would encourage you to subscribe and hit on the bell notification so that each time we upload a video, you'll be notified. And please don't forget to pass your comments. Any of your thoughts, feel free to pour it out in the comment section. Now, this is how Sarpeiman is located on the Accra and Nsawam Highway towards Kumasi. When you bypass the China Mall and you bypass Shipondele, Sarpeiman is next. And the road construction has really affected this road towards satellites and all. The place is very dusty, and drivers and pedestrians are always complaining because of how bad the nature of the road is. And when it rains, whoa, it becomes so bad. Unfortunately, I lost a very close friend who was using a motorbike on this road because it had rained and the road was slippery, and he was on his motorbike, and mistakenly the road slipped him and he landed under a tipper truck that ran after him, and that was the end of him. So this is how bad the place is, and we are hoping that the now ruling government will do something about it, because wow, using this road is very dusty. Even though it's quite smooth, when it rains, it's different, and it's not pleasant at all. Now, crossing this road is also another wahala for pedestrians because the flyover has not been completed yet. So you'd have to meander your way through crossing this path, and whilst making sure that you don't get run over by a vehicle, a fast moving vehicle for that matter. So this is the state of the place, and work was ongoing until the change in government, and I know that I trust this new government to continue with everything that was going on. I mean, continue with the progress of the road construction so that passengers, pedestrians, and drivers will feel at ease to use this road, like how Festus is now so smooth and easy to drive by. All right, we are hoping that Sarpeiman towards satellite and all will also get their share of the national cake, because this is unbearable, guys. You'd have to use this road to appreciate what I'm talking about, because the road is so bad. It's smooth. It looks smooth because they've been cars with water used to water the road. I thought they were just going to pour the coal tar on it for it to be, or the asphalt on it for it to just complete, until there was a change in government. And I know that whatever contract or whatever is going on will be renewed for the contractors to get back to work. So this is the state of the place now. Crossing is wahala, driving on it is wahala, and I don't know, because when you are standing by this road, the dust that will enter your face alone, I don't know. It's so unbearable. So this is how the place looks like. There's a lot of development. Years ago, when I relocated to this place, here was full of bushes. So some places were full of bushes, but now it's not so. So we am hopeful. I am hopeful that in some time to come, everything will be fine, because constructing a road takes time. All right. And one thing that has been a problem with this road extension and construction is that because some of the electric poles were affected, they would have to shift it because it was already on the small road. Now they are extending it. They have to shift it to the other side. People on this stretch, the doom so that they experience, you run away. So, fellow Ghanaians, this is how Sarpeiman is looking like now. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Love you and see you later. Bye.